So guys, we are inside our Spring app. Let's make a new project. Image assets. Select any background color you want. Tab on top right corner cross button. Now we are inside our main project. Select overlay. The folder where you have your video. Select the video you want to import. Give the background layer same length as the video layer. Select the video layer, look for transform. Scroll down, select fill or fit to cover the full screen. Now look for duplicate. Duplicate the layer. Select the new layer, look for magic remover. This may take some time, depends on your mobile configuration. With magic remover we can remove the background from any video. So one layer with no background and another layer with same background but blur. Tab on empty space, unselect everything, select the middle clip, effects, look for Gaussian blur, apply the effect, adjust the blur with the slider, and we are done. So thank you guys for watching, have a good day.